Hello children, in this video let us have introduction about Kannada alphabet. In the beginning there were 52 letters in Kannada alphabet, but later on due to infrequent use of 3 letters, these 3 letters have been deleted from Kannada alphabet. So at present there are 49 letters in Kannada alphabet. These 49 letters together is said to be Kannada Varnamale or Aksharamale. Children, we all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of these, 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are said to be vowels and remaining 21 letters are said to be consonants. Just like English alphabet, Kannada alphabet also have vowels and consonants. So children, look at this chart. This is the Kannada Varnamale chart which has 49 letters with vowels and consonants. So now let us see which are the vowels and consonants of Kannada Varnamale. So now let us see the classification of Kannada Varnamale. There are 49 letters in Kannada Varnamale and these letters are broadly classified into three categories. First one is Swaragalu, known as vowels. Second one is Vyanjanagalu, known as consonants. And one more extra category is Yoga Vahagalu. So, now first we will see Swaragalu, which is known as vowels. There are 13 vowels in Kannada Varnamale. They are A, A, E, E, U, U, R, A, I, O, O, Ow. So these are 13 vowels of Kannada Varnamale. Next is Yoga Vahagalu. And Aha. These two letters of Kannada Varnamale are said to be Yoga Vahagalu. Then now let us see Vyanjanagalu or consonants. There are 34 consonants in Kannada Varnamale and they are K, Kh, G, Gh, N, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya, T, Th, D, Dh, N, T, Th, D, Dh, N, P, Ph, B, Bh, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. So these are 34 consonants of Kannada Varnamale. And these two letters, Ksha, Nya, these two letters are not there in Kannada Varnamale. But do remember these two letters as they are used in making Kannada words. So this is the Kannada Varnamale chart with English. Please go through this. Now look at this format children. This is how you should practice writing each letter every day. After practicing all the letters, go for missing letters, before and after letters. So this is just an introduction of Kannada Varnamale. In my next video, I will be teaching you simple words of Kannada. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.